Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about the worksheet 2. Worksheet 2 unit 3. Okay. Unit 3 worksheet 2 already had completed the worksheet 1. Okay. So see the first, second and third are the homeworks. Okay. Now move to the fourth problem. Move to the fourth one. Reena, Meenu and Sarita jog around a circular stadium. They complete their revolution in 40 seconds, 45 seconds and 50 seconds respectively. After how many seconds will they have together? Will they be together at the starting point? எப்போ வந்து இந்த ஸ்டார்டிங் பாயிண்ட்டுக்கு திரும்ப வரதுக்குள்ள பாசிபிலிட்டிஸ் எவ்வளவு அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஸோ have find out the least one. First one means we list the smallest. So we have to find out the LCM in this place. Okay, here asking the starting. After how many seconds will they be together at the starting point? So initial point is very start from the smallest one, is it? So we have find out the least common multiples for the given 3 seconds. Okay, so what are the seconds? 40 seconds, 45 seconds and 50 seconds. So fourth problem. LCM of (40 seconds, 50 seconds and 45 seconds and 50 seconds. Okay, using the long division common division method. So 40, 45, 50. So its smallest prime number is 2, 20, 25, again 2 table, 10, 45, 25. Now next one of that prime number is 3, is it? So 5, 3 ones are 3, remaining 1, 3 5s are. Now next one of the prime number is 5, 1. Again here 15 is cancelling 3 table. So one more time you will divide by 3. So 3 5s are. Common division method we have used here. Okay, so the LCM of 40, 45 and 50 is equal to, what are the factors? 2 into 3 times 2, 3 twice the times and 5 times. Okay, so multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, 9, 25, 72 into 25, 72 into 25, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35 plus 1 36, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. So 0 0 1 8. So 1800 seconds. 1800 seconds. So 1800 seconds will they be together? They be together at the starting point. Okay. Thus thus 1800 seconds will they seconds, okay, sorry, thus they will be together at 1800 seconds at the starting point. At the starting point. Okay, next one, fifth one. What is the smallest sum of money that can be made up of with rupees 5, 10 and 20 notes? What is the smallest sum of money? So here also we have smallest is given, so you have find out the LCM. LCM of rupees 5, 10, 12, 20. Okay. So using the common division method, 5, 10, 20. The smallest one is 2, 5, 10. Again 2 table, 5. Finally 5 table. Okay. Therefore, the LCM of 5, 10, 20 rupees is equal to, what are the factors? 2 into 2 into 5. So, rupees 20. So, 4 5s are 20. Okay, that's it. What is the smallest sum of money is? Smallest sum of money is, what is that? Rupees 20. Now, the next one of the problem, 6th one. Find the greatest number which divides 126, 150 and 210, giving a remainder of 6 in each cases. Giving a remainder. Okay. So, subtract the remainder from the given numbers. After you have find out the HCF. Because find the greatest number. Why do you find out HCF? Greatest number. Carefully read the questions. Okay. Smallest or least is given LCM. Greatest, largest. This kind of words is given in the word problem. You should find out the HCF. Okay. So here we have find out the HCF. Find the greatest number which is divides. So solution. Subtract the reminders. Subtract the reminders. What are the reminders? Which number? 6 in each case. 6 in each case. So every cases subtracted 6. So first one is 126 minus 6 equal to 120. And next one 150 minus 6 equal to 144. And third one of the case is 210 minus 6 equal to 204. 204. Okay, here we have using the long division, long division method we have using here. Okay, long division You have used any one of the method. Okay, prime factorization method also you have used it. I have used the long division method. Okay, so first we have considered the first greatest numbers. Okay, so greatest number is 144 and smallest number considered to the divisor 120. So is how many times possible? One time. So 120. So remaining 24. Okay, so remainder considered to the divisor. The divisor considered to the dividend. So 120. So how many times is possible? 5 times. Is 24 5s are 120. So the remainder will be 0. Therefore the HCF of which are the numbers 120 and 144 is least divisor. We have considered the HCF. So least one is 24. That is the last one of the last one. Okay, least not the last one of the divisor. We have considered the HCF. Consider the divisor. Now the next remaining HCF of the next and HCF of 24 and 204. Is it? So smallest one is considered to the divisor. The largest value considered to the dividend. So how many times is possible? 8 times. 8 times of 24 is 192. Subtract, we get 12. So remainder considered to the divisor. Divisor considered to the dividend. So how many times is possible? 2 times of 12 is 24. The remainder will be 0. Therefore the HCF of is 12. So what he asked? The greatest number which is the highest common factor. Is it? The greatest number is 12. That's it. Okay. And 7th one, which longest tab can be used to measure the length 11 meter 52 centimeter and 16 meter 64 centimeter exactly. Okay, so which longest tab can be used to measure the length of 11 meter? So longest, so largest value we have to find out. Okay, so here also we have find out the prime factorization method. Okay, find out the LCM first. Which one is longest measurement we have find out. Okay, so the first one is 11 meter 52 centimeter. Measure the length. Exact measure பண்றதுக்குள்ள measurement என்னன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Okay அம்மா. And next one of that 16 meter 64 centimeter. So meter converted to the centimeter. So 11 into 100 1100 centimeter. So already here 52 centimeter added with 52 centimeter. Okay, and next one is 16 into 100 is equal to 1600 centimeter, and already here 64 centimeter is equal to added with 64, so 1664 centimeter. Okay, now by using prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Two table, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 2 6 are 2, 2 2s are 4, 8s are 16, 8s are 16. 2 table 1 4 4, again 2 table 7 2, 2 table 36, 2 table 18, 2 table 9, 3 table. Again, and next one of that 1664, 2 table, 2 8s are 2, 3s are 2, 2s are 2, 4s are 2, 1s are 2, 6s are, again 2 table 2 2s are 8s are, 2 table 1 0 4, again 2 table 2 5s are 52, 2 table 2 2s are 4, 6 are 2 table 2 1s are 2, 13, so 13 1s are 13 1s are. Okay. So what are the factors? 100 factors of 1,152 is equal to 2. How many times repeated? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times, 2 times repeated 3. Okay, and then here the factor of 1664 is equal to 2 4 6 7. Here also 7 times. And final one is 13. Okay, so what we find out here, which longest step. So we have to find out the HCF. So first write the common factors. Okay, these are common. So common factors, 2 into, okay, we'll write directly 2 into 2 into 2, 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 pairs. So 7 pairs, from the 7 pairs we get write the 7 twos, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, now multiply these values. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Okay, so 32 up to this one, 32 into 4. Okay, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So 128 centimeter. So HCF of which are the numbers? 1152 and 1664 is 128. Now write next step, write in the centimeter. Okay, so we have in the meters and centimeters. So divided by 100. Okay, so 1 y divided by 100, change to the meter, so 1 meter 28 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter and 28 centimeter. Thus the longest type can measure can be used to measure the length is 128 centimeter, that is 1 meter 28 centimeter. That's it. Okay, and next one, that homework, 8th one is homework. Okay, worksheet 1, the same model already do that, so that the 8th one of the problem is homework. Now do the 9th one. A shop is open every day. The farmer delivery milk to it every 2 days. இது நாளைக்கு ஒரு தடவை என்ன செய்கிறாரு, மில்க் இது பண்ணுறாங்க. அண்ட் பட்டர் எவ்ரி 3 days அண்ட் பட்டர் எவ்ரி 3 days. டுடே தே ஹேட் எ டெலிவரி ஆஃப் போத் மில்க் அண்ட் பட்டர். ஸோ இன்றைக்கி வந்து அவர் வந்து மில்க் அண்ட் பட்டர் வந்து இன்றைக்கி டெலிவரி பண்ணுறாரு ரெண்டையுமே. ஸோ ஹவு மெனி டேஸ் வில் இட் பி பிஃபோர் த நெக்ஸ்ட் டெலிவரிஸ் அரைவ் ஆன் தி சேம் டே. இதே மாதிரி நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 2, அதாவது மில்க்கும் பட்டரும் சேமாக வந்து டெலிவரி பண்ணுறதுக்குள்ள பாசிபிலிட்டிஸ் என்ன அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த கொஸ்டின், ஹவு மெனி டேஸ் வில் இட் பி பிஃபோர் த நெக்ஸ்ட் டெலிவரிஸ் அரைவ் ஆன் தி சேம் டே. இதே மாதிரி மில்க்கும் பட்டரும் வந்து சேம் டே டெலிவரி பண்ணுறதுக்குள்ள பாசிபிலிட்டிஸ் என்ன, எத்தனாவது நாளாக இருக்கும் ஃப்ரம் தி டுடேலேருந்து அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஓகேவா? ஸோ easiest one, here also we have found the LCM. Okay, so LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So after the 6 days from the today is the answer. Okay, see. Ninth one solution. The farmer delivery milk to the every 2 days. Given the farmer to it every 2 days. Okay, butter every 3 days. The farmer delivers the milk to it every 2 days, butter every 3 days. Okay, so how many today they had delivered both. இன்னைக்கு ரெண்டையுமே டெலிவர் பண்ணாங்கன்னா திரும்ப எப்போ வரும் அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸோ we have to find out the LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Everyone known, is it? Therefore, after 6 days from today, after the 6 days from the today. Okay, இன்னையிலிருந்து next 6 daysல என்ன செய்வார்? Today deliver the of both milk and butter. Okay, after 6 days from today, delivery of both milk and butter. Okay, and 10th one is homework. Here is a list of numbers is given. Find 2 numbers that add up to 27. Which are the numbers added 27? 4 and 23. Okay, 4 and 23. 10th one. First one, two numbers that added up to 27. So what is that answer? 4 plus 23 is equal to 27. First one answer. And B, two numbers that have a difference of 4. Difference of 4 means which are the numbers? The given numbers are, what are the numbers given? 4, 7, 18, 28, 11, 23, 27. Okay. So difference is 4. So I consider, okay, 27 minus 23, we get the difference is 4. And see, a multiple of 9. What are the multiples of 9? 18 and any other number? 27. These are all the multiples. So multiples of 9 is 18 and 27. Multiples of 9 is 18 and 27. At the D problem, a factor of 7 is 7 only. Is it? What are the factors? A factor of 7 is 7. Okay. So, okay, D. From D to remaining problems are homework. Okay. See, the homework. Worksheet 2, one, 2, 3, 8, 10 la DEF. Okay. Complete the homework. Send it to the Johar. Thank you, students.